All right, so this is just a quick video demonstrating how to install your Team Wendy helmet cover. Prior to installation, make sure that you have purchased the correct helmet cover for the correct helmet. They have a variety of brands and styles, the carbon, the X-Fill, LTP. Make sure that you get the right one as well as you get the one that is indicated for the correct rails. So this is a ballistic helmet. I just put the 3.0 rails on here. You can see that in my other videos. So I had to make sure that I got the ballistic 3.0 rail helmet cover because these notches and cutouts are going to be different. If you're trying to put it on the 2.0, they're not going to line up and it's going to be a weird funky shape. So again, double, triple check, make sure you get the right one. Now there is Velcro all over your helmet and all over the interior of the helmet cover. So we need to make sure that we line all of those Velcro panels up. So starting from the front here with the shroud, we're going to pull this towards the back, making sure to get all of our Velcro lined up. It may snag a little bit. You're going to have to kind of separate it from that Velcro, kind of pull it back until it's nice and tight. Make sure it's not all bunched up everywhere. Make sure your notches line up with the rails. It's going to be a little squirrely again. It's going to snag and catch and you're going to have to release it and then keep going with it, but you're just going to keep going from the front to the back. Just keep stretching it, keep attaching that Velcro. Make sure it's nice and smooth. There shouldn't be a lot of gaps. There shouldn't be anything bunched up. So we just go all the way around, again, making sure everything is lined up. So once you're satisfied that everything is covered appropriately, we've got these 4 tabs that are here. You're gonna have to peel away the inner lining. So as in my previous video, I used a Lego brick separator tool. We're gonna separate the blue and the black Velcro. The blue Velcro in this helmet is attached to the shell. If that comes off, you have no way to keep the padding and the inner lining stuck to the helmet. So you wanna make sure that you keep the blue Velcro intact where it is stuck to the helmet. So I'm gonna put my little tool in here and I'm just gonna kind of separate the black Velcro away from the blue. All right, so these tabs are kind of long, so you may have to separate quite a bit of it, because what we're going to do is we're going to wrap this to the inside and stick it to that Velcro. We're going to make sure it's nice and tight. And then the padding and everything is going to just lay right back down on top of it. And then we're just going to continue that same step for all 3 of these other Velcro tab tails. And there we go. Once you've got all 4 of those tails tucked in there, just double check. Make sure everything is nice and tight. There's no bunching. Everything looks good to me on here. So why would you want a helmet cover? Well, for sure with the ballistic helmet, I definitely recommend it just to keep it from getting dinged and scratched up and ruining the ballistic integrity of your helmet. But also you can use it to change the color. So in the event that the seasons are changing, you're dressing for the weather or the environment, you just want to change the color of your helmet without having to buy a whole new helmet. So just makes it a little bit easier that way. And then again, just to provide a little bit of protection from any physical damage that aren't bullets. So anyway, so just a quick video showing you how to put your helmet cover on. Hopefully you found it useful in your helmet upgrading endeavors. Thank you for watching and we'll catch you in the next video.